Here are the most common building codes. However, I'm going to tell you a little secret that most people don't tell you. And that's the fact that the building codes used in this video might not match the ones in your area, and you'll have to actually check with them to verify whether or not these are the same building codes. These are the most common building codes, however, for stair building. So let's go ahead and start with the minimum width on a stairway. This is going to be the distance between one side and the other side, and that's usually going to be 36 inches. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at the landing. The minimum width on a stair landing is 36 inches, and it's usually referred to as 36 inches in the direction of travel. However, the line of travel can be confusing. So I'm not going to bother explaining it because the minimum width for a stair landing is 36 inches by 36 inches. And in some cases, they are going to want the stair landing to have a minimum square shape that will be the same width as the stairway. So if I have a 42-inch wide stairway, they're going to want this to be 42 inches also. Next up on the list, let's take a look at the tread depth, and that's going to be the horizontal distance between the lower nosing and the upper nosing, or the farthest protruding front edge of the lower step to the farthest protruding front edge of the upper step. And in some places, that number will be a little bit smaller or a little bit longer. Next up, the maximum step for our riser height is going to be 7 3/4 inches. However, if you have a public stairway or a building with more than 50 occupants, that number is now going to be 7 inches. And the last one I want to mention on the list will be inconsistencies in the riser heights. And that cannot be more than 3/8 of an inch variation in the entire flight of stairs. So for example, in this stairway here, we have 2 flights of stairs, one here and one here. And a flight of stairs is usually going to be separated by a floor or a landing. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.